There will be more modifications in the iPhone 15 Pro Max than we had anticipated, and the whole iPhone 15 series will be shown once again. The news on the impending iPhone 16 is the day's first article, so for those of you who are waiting for a larger display before moving on to the iPhone 15 announcement. We already knew that the display sizes would increase to 6.3 and 6.9 inches, but now we also know that the aspect ratio will increase. Reliable analyst Ross Young predicts that the 16 Pro models will have a 19.6 to 9 aspect ratio, and the standard 17 models will follow suit the following year. As an added bonus, he says the 17 Pro will be the first to include Face ID technology embedded in the display. Although this information is extremely preliminary, Ross Young is consistently quite accurate when it comes to display information. A new pattern for Apple's Taptic Engine, which manages haptic feedback, has also been announced. The Taptic Engine currently in use works well, but it is susceptible to damage when the phone is dropped. Apple has acknowledged this, and a new patent has been found where they have incorporated a non-linear spring, which functions as a protective barrier to prevent it from falls. Even if this isn't a very interesting addition, it's encouraging to see that Apple is paying attention to the details. This indicates that the company is improving the dependability and toughness of the iPhones. As of today, the iPhone 15 Pro Max's camera configuration has changed, and the lenses have been switched to make room for the much-anticipated new periscope lens. The actual architecture of the cameras will remain the same, but according to Leica Unknowns 21, the telephoto and ultrawide cameras will switch places inside the camera module to make more internal room for the new periscope camera. The iPhone 15 Pro Max will retain the same 48-megapixel primary camera that we had on the 14 Pro Max, according to a new update from tech_Reeve on Twitter. The periscope camera will be the sole difference, he adds. Given the fact that the iPhone isn't altering much else, I believe it would be an odd move from Apple, but we'll have to wait and see if this is the case. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.